Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you, I've got some warped discs. So when I press the brakes, the steering wheel starts shaking, everything starts shaking when I press the brakes, and I believe it's warped discs. So I'm just going to show you. I've got the car up on jacks, and I'm just going to put it on drive and just show you what's happening. Alright, the car's on drive. Let me press the gas a little bit. So I don't know why, like, look, this one's just being held. This one's not even moving. I'm not sure if it's, I don't know what's going on, but this one's like this, yeah. Let me show you the other side. So this side is turning fine, but I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit like, when you look at it from the top, it's not, you see how it's changing size, you see that? That means it's warped. There's also a noise. Let me see if I can make you hear it. See that? That's no good. So these discs were basically no good. They are Brembos, so I spent a lot of money on them. But yeah, I just had to buy new ones, so we're going to show you how to replace them. First thing you need to do, guys, open the brake fluid. Okay, I'm just going to keep it loose like this instead of, actually, yeah, I'm going to keep it, yeah, I'm just going to put it here. Keep that loose, and then so you can, yeah, so first step, open that up. So guys, first thing we do, we need to loosen this bolt here. This is a H5 bolt in my case. It could be a Torx 20 bolt in your case. This here is a 13mm, but you need to, this is a 17, so you need to do something like this where this goes in here, okay, and then this 17 you hold like this, and then you turn that one, okay. Once that's removed, you need to be careful. You got the brake line wire, the brake sensor wire, so this will need to be unplugged in a moment, so that's what I'll do. And then you have two E18 bolts. So these are E18, they're like a Torx shape, like a star. Okay, once that's done, you can remove this, so I'll be doing this now. So guys, let me just show you here, yeah. This is meant to be completely flat right now, but as you can see, I can still move it. That means it's a bit bent. See that? That shouldn't be happening. Okay? So I think this disc is the reason. Anyways, we're gonna take this out now. Sure really needs to be built back. Just leave it out. Okay.